Page 25, the wishing star. The only new thing here you're dealing with is you have to move the left hand. You have to move the hands around. We got to learn how to move the hands around. All right, I'll talk about it when I get to the left hand. Let's look the piece over. The drill and stuff at the top, you can handle those if you want to. I don't cover them in the videos. I don't like the drills. I don't care for it. I prefer to use the pieces themselves. And the read aloud thing, you're supposed to say the name of the note. As you read it, make sure you know the names of these notes instantly, because we got more new notes to learn, so make sure you got these down pretty well. It's in 2/4 time. There's no sharps or flats in the key signature when the key is C major. We got eighth notes and quarter notes. Let's just take a look. Right hand first to make sure we got the rhythm and the notes and all. We're starting here. And it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. And the left hand plays and the right hand plays at the end of the line. 1 and 2 and so forth. You go through in the right hand to make sure you can play the notes. The left hand, when it comes in, it's here. Now the hands are sort of on top of each other, so you're going to have to get one hand sort of out of the way when the other hand needs the note. Yeah, good luck with that. But it's 1 and 2 and the second line 1 and 2 and then in the third measure you got to come down here to this position. You have 3 beats of rest in there. You move during the rest. Anytime during the rest you want. I usually do it at the end, so it's like I'm playing here. Well, it would be, I got to get the left hand out of the way for the right hand anyway, so as the left hand gets out of the way, I'll just go ahead and move it down. So the second line is, and then just have it there before you need it. Just make sure it's there. Don't wait until you need it and then try and get it down there. It's too late. Just move it down there sometime before you need it. The beat needs to be a steady beat. We don't mess up the beat because we're moving the hands around. No. So you figure it out, you get your hands moved where you need to and keep a steady beat. Then go back through it and get rid of the hesitation. So it is a steady beat. Have I said that before? Mention this, the last 4 measures here on this piece, the second line there, when you're playing the hands together. This is an important thing you're going to get in piano, and it's really important you get the hang of this. Forget the half note, just pretend it's not there, just do the eighth notes. If you're going to do a drill, I recommend you do that one. Just as slow as you need to go, just make sure you can get these fingers to work together, go in either direction. This is very, very important. Of course, you're going to get it a lot, but it's important you get that. Now, when you have it, sort of, then come back to the play with me. Let's play it together. Make sure you're playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time. Now, give us 2 counts. Ready, go. That's 2. And then we go. Ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and and 2 and